This is bunching. This is bunching. You see how it's kind of like scooched on top of, like on itself, scrunched up? That's bunching. This one is bunching bad. This one is a bunch. Bunching. I think that's the same one I just grabbed. That's bunching. You see how it's all bent out of shape? That's because it's scrunched on itself. This is an example of bunching. I don't know why, but the ones at the top of my head be bunching real bad. A little bunch. A little bunch. That back row, my back row that I no longer have, used to bunch real bad too. And that's why I cut it off too, because I did not like it the way it was looking. It's a little bunch with a little ball at the end. I haven't been trying to pull them off, but they've been coming off. This one is a bud. You see how it's just thick right here? That's a bud. This one, that's a bud. Yeah, that's a bud. It's a bunch. This one's bud. A bud. Let me see, I'm trying to hold it so y'all can see. A bud. This one's budding, budding. Yeah, those are some examples of bunching and budding.